This video is about creating custom shape stock on a different plane on a hex example. If you run parts on a fourth axis, you might find yourself needing to create that custom stock. This tutorial is with hex, but it can be used on for any shape. Go to 2D geometry. This issue is that the global coordinate system plane doesn't allow you to trace the edges that we need. To get to the correct plane, simply go to the active coordinate system and find the plane that allows us to draw on the face that we need. Use the grid to assist visually. The YZ plane is what we need. Once selected, we can now trace the shape needed using the line function. Now in the Model tab, create a new work group under Workpiece. We will then go down to the YZ plane folder and copy all the edges into this newly created folder. Highlight the edges in your Workpiece group folder and then go up to Join. We want to create a joint curve. Once you have clicked Join, make sure it says Closed One. This ensures that they are all connected. Now, go to Workpiece in the Machining tab and click Extrude. Choosing the joint curve in the file directory, set your top level and bottom level. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.